Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to stop friends tagging me on Facebook. Firstly, go and launch the Facebook application and then select the three dots icon on your right upper dice. Then you need to go on the settings side and scroll down and find for audience and visibility section and looking for the selection that says profile and tagging. Click on it. Then on the first side, who can post on your profile, click on it. Right after that, you need to choose the second option by typing on it, go back, then scroll down, and here as you can see on the tagging section, who can see posts that you tagged in. If you click on it, you have an option for only me. Click on get back, and then on the reviewing side you need to open the first selection by typing on it, and then you need to go and just turn on this selection, get back, and now guys, we have done it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.